Namaste, welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make walnut biscuits. Before we start the recipe, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to watch our latest videos. Now, let's see the ingredients of walnut cookies. 85 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of butter, 30 grams of walnuts, 2 ml of vanilla essence. Now let's see the process of making walnut cookies. Take a mixing bowl, add butter of room temperature, melt the butter, add icing sugar, vanilla essence, mix well so that it becomes a smooth texture. Now add all-purpose flour, walnuts, and make a rough dough. Now, take the whole dough on the butter paper and make a soft dough. Just take the rolling pin and roll your dough. Roll it carefully because it may break. See, I have rolled it. Now, with the help of knife, cut the edges to give a perfect shape. Giving a square shape to our cookie, that too with the help of knife. If you want to give any shapes, you can also use a cookie cutter. Different shape to your cookie, you can use cookie cutter. You can just do it as I'm showing you in the video. You can make small squares. Here you can see my square shaped cookie is ready. Now, just I want to give marks on these cookies. So just take a skewer or any object which can give marks to your cookies. You can see the difference after giving marks to your cookie. It gives different look to your cookie. Now, take the baking tray and arrange these biscuits on your baking tray. My baking tray. Now preheat your oven at 150 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now bake these cookies for more 20 minutes. Here our cookies are done, so just take out from oven and let it come to a room temperature. Here, when cookies are at room temperature, then these are ready to serve. So this was our today's recipe, how to make walnut cookies. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our today's recipe. Please do like our videos, share with your family, friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.